everyone, my name is Irene. Yes, welcome to a day in the life of a housemaid here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yes, I have finished everything, preparing my sleeve, making my bed as I have shown you in the video, and everything I'm done. So I'm heading right now to start my day in the kitchen, because I start my day from the kitchen. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you everything. So if you're watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also give me a like. Yes, and also comment down below after watching this video, so that I get to know what you do think about this video and where to improve and what to give you. Yes, I'm here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Let me show you a day in life. Even me, I don't know how the day is gonna be today, but I'm going to be showing you everything. Yeah, it's still morning, as you can see. You can hear my voice and you can see my face, but let us start it right away. Let me head to the kitchen right now.